Here are some news updates for Tuesday, the 2nd day of February 2021. The federal government has extended the deadline for linkage of national identity numbers with subscribers' identity model or SIM cards by 8 weeks, with the new deadline shifted from February 9th to April 6, 2021. A statement jointly signed by the spokesmen of the Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC) and the National Identity Management Commission (NIMC), Dr. Ikechukwu Adinde and Kayode Adegoke respectively, said the decision to extend the date was reached at a meeting of stakeholders with the Minister of Communications and Digital Economy, Dr. Issa Pantami. Pantami in the statement stated that the extension is to give Nigerians and legal residents more time to integrate their SIMs with their NIN. It further revealed that over 1,060 registration centers for NIN has been activated and made operational by NIMC across the country, while mobile network operators have opened hundreds of centers and are rapidly deploying resources to open thousands of other NIN enrollment centers across states of the country. At least 21 persons reportedly died from COVID-19 in Nigeria on Monday, according to a recent report from the Nigeria Center for Disease Control (NCDC) on Monday night. The latest death toll, which indicated a sharp rise from the 8 deaths reported on Sunday, raised the fatality in the country to 1,607. Meanwhile, the country reported its lowest daily infection tally since last December on Monday, with 676 infections, bringing the total tally to 131,918 cases. A statement from the health sector indicates that Nigeria will receive 16 million doses of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines before the end of February to replace the initial 100,000 doses of the Pfizer and BioNTech approved vaccines expected in the country. Executive Director of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Faisal Shuaibu, announced the new development at the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 briefing on Monday. He said that the initial 100,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccines expected this month is grossly inadequate for Nigeria's large population, while the COVAX facility has indicated readiness to supply Nigeria with approximately 16 million doses of AstraZeneca this month. Most African countries, including Nigeria, are banking on benefiting from the COVAX program, which was set up to divide over 1 billion doses of vaccines across 82 low- and middle-income countries in the world. The Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 on Monday declared Kogi State as a high-risk state and warned Nigerians to beware of visiting the state. The National Incident Manager of the PTF, Mukhtar Mohammed, at a media briefing stated that Kogi was not testing at all for the disease, while the state governor Yaya Bello is well known for refusing to acknowledge the existence of the disease. He further stated that since there is no data coming in from the state, with no testing facility or isolation centers, there is no way to analyze and know the level of pandemic in the state, hence the need to avoid the state. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) has named Instagram celebrity Ismail Mustafa alias Momfa in its amended 157 million naira fraud charges filed against a popular auto dealer, Sarumi Babafemi alias 606. Babafemi, the Chief Executive Officer of 606 Autos Limited, 606 Music Limited, and Splash Off Entertainment Limited, and his firms have since November 1st, 2019, been on trial on a 5-count charge before the Federal High Court Lagos for allegedly laundering 207.1 million naira, as well as being named as an agent of fraud suspects named by the United States Federal Investigation Bureau (FBI), an allegation he has denied. Momfa, on the other hand, has since November 25, 2019, been facing a separate 14-count 32.9 billion naira money laundering charge before the Federal High Court in Lagos. Activist and co-convener of the Bring Back Our Girls movement, Aisha Yusufu, has criticized the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, and his Eastern Security Network over the attack on herdsmen and their cattle. Kanu had posted a video on his Facebook page on the security outfit's invasion of the camp of the herdsmen in Isikuato, Abia State, where they chased out the herdsmen and killed some cows in the enclave. Aisha described the situation as unacceptable and warned that Kanu and his network were taking the laws into their hands, as they have no right to unleash violence on any person or group of persons in Nigeria.